When it comes to making life easier, the best food processor is the ultimate kitchen must-have. With bowls for blitzing, chopping, and even kneading dough, as well as discs to shred and slice, these multitaskers will save you some real time and effort. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best food processor you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 12-Cup Food Processor. Let's say you're moving into your first adult apartment, or registering for your wedding, or upgrading your hand-me-down appliances to newer ones. This is a fantastic choice. It's thoughtfully designed. We love that the shredding and slicing blade is one unit, and the bowl has a pour spout, so smart. And the 12-cup size means it can handle a wide range of jobs. You only have one option for slicing thickness, but it works very well. It makes quick work of a zucchini with nearly no waste. The same is true of the shredding blade, only one thickness, but very efficient. The buttons, one for slice or shred, one for puree or mix and one to pulse, offer different levels of power so each job gets done the way you want it to. Number 4. Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. Best if money and space are no object. Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro is the Ferrari of food processors, almost as good as having an actual human sous chef in your kitchen. They thought of everything for this one: different sized feed chutes so you can slice or shred thick or thin items easily, 24 slicing thickness options, 5 cutting discs so you can make anything from french fries to julienne vegetables, a timing function, even the caddy that holds all the accessories is thoughtfully labeled, so you know what everything is at a glance. If the 16-cup capacity bowl is too much for the job at hand, grab the 2.5-cup mini processing bowl. The one thing to note is that it takes up nearly as much space as an actual Ferrari. This is not the model for small kitchens or anyone without a lot of counter space. Number 3. KitchenAid Food Processor. This processor has 3 speeds: high, low and pulse, and we found that these functions allowed for even control depending on the task. We found that it easily and uniformly diced an onion, made short work of grinding parmesan, and pulled together pie crust in a few pulses. However, if you're making emulsions or need to incorporate ingredients fully, like with pesto, it may take a longer to process on the high setting than more powerful models. The reversible slicing and shredding disc was easy to install thanks to the manual's clear directions. It easily sliced half a zucchini with the help of the plastic food pusher. One thing to note: the feed tube isn't very wide, so if you're processing a lot of vegetables or fruit at one time, be sure to cut them accordingly and perhaps allow for a little extra time. We appreciated the twist-free design on this processor, which was intuitive to use and allowed the work bowl to easily click into the base. Number 2. Vitamix 12-Cup Food Processor. The Vitamix 12-cup attachment shines brightest while pureeing, slicing, and mixing dough, making it the perfect option for pizza lovers. Mix up your pizza crust and let it cool while you whip up some homemade sauce and efficiently slice up any toppings. While we had pizza on the mind during our testing of this model, that's not all it is good for. The mostly even slicing works wonders on easy-to-bruise fruit and vegetables, like tomatoes, and the stellar pureeing makes buttery smooth hummus and dips. Although it is still an investment, it is easy to clean but won't clean out your bank account. The Vitamix 12-cup is a great food processor, but there is a lot of room for improvement. While it's excellent at slicing and pro at pureeing, its chopping, shredding, and mixing capabilities are nothing to write home about. They get the job done but often require an extra pulse or two. The chopping and shredding also offer somewhat inconsistent sizes. That being said, the Vitamix 12-cup attachment is a great option for anyone looking for a well-rounded processor. Number 1. Cuisinart 13-cup Food Processor. To operate this machine, you must be sure to align all the parts, but it's easy to quickly get the hang of it and they turn and lock into place smoothly. And unlike the larger Cuisinart, the feed tube is in the front, making it easier to add food. With this model you get both a large 13-cup bowl and a smaller 4.5-cup one, chopping and kneading blades, a slicing disc that adjusts for 7 different thicknesses, a shredding disc that reverses for thin or thick shreds, and a plastic spatula. A case to corral all the accessories is also included, but that means you have to find storage space to keep it, too. Dicing and spiralizer accessories are available and they work well, but they do have lots of small parts that you also have to assemble and store when you're not using them. As long as you find room in the top rack, all of the parts are dishwasher safe. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.